Kurumirira uthuthuria uria watabanirio kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka uyu na mweri wa keri ni gikundi gia twaweza wonanitie gicunji kia 46 hari igana kia Kenya matiganĩire na motungata maria maheanagwo thibitari-ini cia muingi. Gatagati-ini ka mathina maria magwetetwo kugumira thibitari cia muingi ni hamwe na wagi wa ndawa cia gutangikira mirimu itiganite, kuraihiriria gwa thibitari, unyihu wa arigitani na wici wa mbeca cia muingi thiini wa kandi ya kwamukira motungata ya NHIF gatagati-ini ka mangi.
Whether it's a fuliza, you can fuliza there, then the premium will be sent to SHIF. Then now, as you continue generating your income, then you can repay the premium.
You have a debt with the fuliza fund that you are unable to service. Remember, you got into the debt first because you have financial problems. It's not because you are well off. Now, you are unable to service that debt, and then your new premium is due. And without you paying the new premium, you also don't have health insurance. So here's what I'm saying. You will have two problems.
Hamwe noguo uthuthuria wonanitie ona thengia wa Akenya makiria ma gicunji kia 50 hari igana gukorwo meyandikithitie thiini wa mutaratara wa kandi ya NHIF. Amwe ao matikoretwo na uhoti wa kwamukira motungata ngurani, amu kuri na mamwe ma motungata kandi iyo itarũgamagĩrĩra.
Sema serikali iweze kufanya awareness iwe juu hivi kwamba hawa watu ambao hawaendi kupata huduma hizi za bure na wanastahili kuwa wanazipata waweze kutumia muda huu ama opportunity hii kuweza kupata hizo huduma. Mugaru na kandi ya NHIF kuria mukenya aracaguraga thibitari iria ekwenda kwamukira motungata, Akenya mendekithitie gukorwo na wiyathi wa murwaru kwamukira motungata thibitari-ini o yothe akihuthira kandi njeru ya SHIF.
Instead, what happens is that private companies are motivated by profit. And since they are motivated by profit, they tend to cut more corners. Our fears is that Kenyans are going to be denied benefits so that these private claims management companies can make much more money.
Ona kuri guo Akenya mari na mwihoko ati mubango mweru wa SHIF uria utanyitwo kwambiriria mweri turorete wa mugwanja ni ugukorwo ugithinga mahoro maria maragumeire sekta ya urigiti niguo gutigirira mukenya wothe ni atangikirwo na amukira motungata na njira ya raithi.
Why are we not NHIF? It's only 500 shillings. Now you're coming to tell us here, oh, you can go on Fuliza. You haven't got the faintest, foggiest idea of what you are talking about. We are not talking about an insurance scheme. We are talking about a right.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Hand raised, let me know and then we can allow them.